Hi, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna do a very small and quick makeup tutorial. First, I'm using this moisturizer, which is the Phyto Ceramide Moisturizer from Earth Rhythm. I really like it as a makeup base. I think it's fantastic at keeping the skin hydrated, and under makeup it somehow makes my whole makeup look turn out really dewy, which I hope you will see as well in this video. And then I move on to the next step, which is the Smashbox Halo CC cream. The shade that I bought is unfortunately a little bit too warm for me, but I feel like I can somehow make it work when I use the right kind of bronzer and a brightening under eye concealer. Here I'm just blending that in with my fingers because sometimes it really helps to blend the product in better, just the warmth of your finger. Then I'm using this concealer from Clinique, which is the Even Better concealer in the shade Oat. I really like this concealer. It does not look like I'm wearing concealer. It's very lightweight, and I think the shade is also a really good match for me. I'm blending it in with this it Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush, which is amazing as a brush. Then I'm going in with the NYX HD concealer. I'm just gonna let that sit for a while so that it can get tacky, and then I'm using the Kiko Milano eyeshadow and just going into my crease area. I'm only gonna do a single shade of eyeshadow today, so I just blend that into my crease and also take it up until my brows. Then I'm just taking this Tom Ford eyeshadow duo. It's one of my faves. The glitter in it is just unparalleled. So I'm just gonna apply that in the center of my eyelid so that when I look this way and that, it kind of shimmers a little bit. Then my trusty old Kiko Milano Building Base Coat Mascara. You know I love this. I use it every single time I use mascara, which is almost every single day. And the way that I apply it is very in a wiggly motion, so that every single eyelash of mine can be coated with the product. Next, I'm using this NYX Eyebrow Pencil. I don't know when I got it, where I got it, but it's really coming in clutch when since I've threaded my eyebrows this time. And even the shade, it kind of is not like too harsh, and it's also not too light. It's like the perfect shade. It's really great. I really like it. I'm obviously gonna link all of the products, or at least mention them in the description, so you can go and check it out. One tip when you're doing your brows is make sure to brush through them once you finish drawing them on. This really makes sure that your brows are looking natural and they don't look very stark on your face. Then I'm gonna go into brow gel, which is using this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It is almost like super glue for your brows. I haven't found a single thing that works the same way. Then finally I'm gonna go back to blending my concealer that's just been sitting there getting tacky for a while, so that it adds a bit more coverage and it actually can brighten my under eyes, which I'm using this It Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush for, just the other side of it, so that I feel like this brush really mimics the finger motions, so I really like it. Then I'm going in with a Laura Mercier under eye. Actually, I don't know if it's even called under eye. I think it's called the translucent setting powder. Also, by the way, I'm so sorry for like the number of mistakes I'm making in this voiceover, but I also feel like it's a more realistic way that I speak, Anyway, this under eye, this translucent powder is so good, is what I'm trying to say. Then I go into mascara, for which I'm using Brush from FAE. I'm using the shade Jet Black. It's really like this combo of the Kiko Milano Building Base Coat Mascara and the FAE Beauty Brash is insane. Like, as you can see here, my lashes just look so voluminous, so long. It almost looks like I have falsies on. Yeah, it's my like go-to mascara combination. I love it. Next, I'm moving on to blush, for which I'm using this NARS blush in the shade Dolce Vita. It's a very nice corally pink blush, but when I put it on, it doesn't look very corally on me, at least. It's very like a natural flush, if that makes sense. Yeah, I've had this blush for ages, and the thing with powder products, I feel, is that they never finish. I've been working so hard to finish my powder products, but they never seem to finish. Then I'm moving on to lips. I'm using this Simply Nam liquid lipstick, and then I blot it with a piece of tissue paper, which really helps to, I don't know, blend the product into my lips, I feel. Then I'm going in with the Smashbox liquid lipstick in a shade that is way too light for me, that I got as a freebie, but little did they know that I would actually use it. So yeah, win-win for me. But this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video and even this haphazard voiceover. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.